Hello, my name is Vinay Jarat Barve, and today date is 25th of October 2023, and today I am here to discuss about the SQL. So basically, SQL it stands for the structured query language, and it is, you can say, it is in a database. So we will go with the step by step. So it has used to manage the relational database and perform the various operation in the data, like update, delete, add the data, and you can say the insert the data. So it is like created in the 1970s, and SQL it is in a regular use not only by the database administration, but also the developers. Writing the data into the you can say integration script and the data analytics look to set up and run analytic queries. So SQL is basically working in the RDBMS, which is Relational Database Management System. So it is mainly focused on it is used to store the data on the table format, which is, you can say, row and the column. So the single row, it is used to say it is in a single object for that column. You can say that. So modifying the database table and the index structure. Adding and updating the data by using the you can say the SQL queries. It is possible you can use these queries and you can add the data and so many things. And also let us talk about the table. So a table is the most you can say basic unit of the database, and after that it has consisting of rows and the column of the data. And after a single table holds the record, and each record is stored in a row of the table. And the table are the most used type of the database object or structure that hold the reference of the data in the relational database. And like other types of the database object includes the following. So you can say the relational database are relational because they are relate to each other in the table format. And also in the SQL database used to customer service can have one table for customer names, their addresses, and also their and other table that hold the information about the specific purchases, product of the code and the customer contacts. And also the table used to track the customer, their contacts, usually a unique customer identification called as the key. So everyone has their a specific key. You can say if you want to only see the example first name, then you can write the query select first name from the customer details. So that is the basic structure of the SQL. Thank you.